Hi guys, sa init ng panahon, always hydrate. The moment I wake up, brush my teeth, I pray, put deodorant, I go to my home gym, I use this, Kill Switch Mutant. Available at Supplement Kingdom. Look for Kevin Orubiaga, Virgilio. Ano to eh, wala siyang calories, tapos may caffeine siya, may L-carnitine, beta-alanine, citrulline, and creatine and glutamine. So good for performance, pampa-energy, pampabigil. So make sure na nasa gym tayo or meron tayong physical activity kasi mag-review tayo, kasi magiging mutant tayo sa lakas. Then, water and EAAs, essential amino acids. Yan, BBL available at Supplement Kingdom. Then after my workout, amino tabs kada, 2 tabs. And then meal or protein shake, mutant, Phyto Nutrition, all available dyan sa Supplement Kingdom. Kailangan consistency sa proper nutrition ko yung nasa pagkain. Kung di kaya ito, sana makatulong sa inyo. 1 meal a day, fasting, calorie deficit, carnivore, vegan, anything. Basta kaya nyo gawin na consistent and you feel and look good at happy, healthy. Tama kayo, mali ako, not your doctor. Do what works for you. Bam! Yeah!